What's up with that vanilla face?
Alright, hello and welcome to a new tutorial. So today we're going to do like a Tm88 Southside 2018 tutorial, and today I've decided to edit my video a bit. So, you know, this is me post actually making the beat, talking, because, you know, a lot of people have been telling me you should edit your videos, cut them up, make them a bit shorter. So it took this 20-minute beat video to like about 15 minutes-ish. So here I am making a chord progression, just D, G, D, G, D, G. Basic, you know, like a lot of rock songs, just songs in general have that chord progression, D, G, D, G, back and forth. Then I'm just randomizing it just to make it a little bit less machine-like. And then let me see what I do here. It's like an adventure, you never know what's gonna happen. Okay, so I think okay, now I'm gonna put the effects on it. So right now it's gonna speed up, so I'm putting on a half speed, changing the octave maybe. I'm putting on some effectrics like a little stutter at the end, putting on some delay, some reverb potentially. I might do that. No? Yeah, here I am halving the speed of the ARP. Yeah, here I am putting on the reverb. Basically just to get that computerized sound into something more realistic, ambient, you know, and lifelike, you know what I mean, just to have it so now here I am putting in another pad from Purity's Thin Angels, the one I always use. And then I'm gonna put a pad on this. I mean, a reverb on this pad. The pad is basically just D, G, D, G. So I just cut out all notes that weren't D and G when I put the pad in. Now I'm gonna put in a flute. Blueberry Fields from Omnisphere. It's a Mellotron flute. It's the same flute they used in Strawberry Fields Forever. So, well, it's not the same exact flute. It's like it's based off that flute. So here I am just putting in some melody notes. You can't hear it now because I sped this part up, but it looks like it's, you know, because it takes a little bit of time to do a melody. So you can still kind of see like which notes I'm laying down, what I'm doing with it, and you can hear the flute after. You already kind of know what it sounds like from the preview. And I'm in FL20 today because a lot of people have also been saying try 20, and to be honest, it's not bad. It's definitely better than 12. The only difference between 11 and 20 is that repeat step sequencer. Maybe some other stuff I haven't noticed yet, but so far I'm not hating it, you know what I mean? It's not bad. So now I'm going to put some effects on the flute, some tape saturation, just make it a little bit more old school sounding. And then I think I put some delay. Yes, I put some delay on the flute as well, just a little bit. If you see in the right, I turned the mix down a little bit. Then I put a little bit of stutter on the flute. You'll hear how it sounds. And then I think I put some chorus. Yeah, I put a little bit of chorus as well, and then I turn the mix of the chorus down. And then, you know, mess around with the levels a little bit, kind of hearing it, and then we're back in to live motion. I'm putting in the hi-hats. What I'm going to do with the hi-hats is I'm going to put in a simple two-step pattern, and then I'm going to put an effectrix on it. Here I am putting it in the mixer. The effectrix preset is called Le Coeur de Paris or something like that. I don't really know how to pronounce it. I'm not French. Alright, so then I put in a MIDI for my kit, the 2 Sweet drum kit. I had like a bunch of hi-hat MIDIs in there, so she used one of them. Some of them, like 1 through 7, are in the 2 Sweet drum kit, and then the next 7 I'm gonna put in with the City of God drum kit. Like, you'll get all 15 in the City of God drum kit in the bonus. I haven't decided when I'm gonna release that yet. But this is the main problem with 20 and 11. Like in 11, all I'd have to do is just put in 1 snare, hit loops, step sequencer, and it'd be done. But here I have to fucking copy it over. But to be honest, I'm getting kind of used to it. It's not that bad. I might stay on 20 because it's pretty good so far. Alright, so then I'm gonna just add an open hat. I think, I don't know, I'm gonna do the 808. I think I go with just a spins 808. Just copied and pasted from the kick. And now I do the open hat, I think. Before I do that, I just messed around with some of the settings for the hi-hat, like the reverb and the saturation. So then I'm just looking for an open hat. Pick the Metro open hat eventually. Alright, anyways, this should be the end of the video. So if you like this video, please leave a like. Thank you for watching. If you like the old format, let me know. If you like this format, let me know. Maybe like a mix of the old format where I cut in between me, you know, making the beat and with edits, or like how I'm doing it right now where I add the commentary afterwards.